Because of climate change and droughts, Nevada has to start saying goodbye to its lawns. This is a good news story. Nevada is getting hotter and drier every year, and far and away its biggest use of water is not food, it's not bathing or hydrating, it's grass. So the state is making the common sense move to eliminate it and replace it with native trees and plants, and even creating water investigators to ensure that nobody is wasting water on lawns. This sounds kind of dystopian. Why is this good news? Let me tell you. Sure, the rest of the country isn't quite as hot and dry in Nevada, but they are wasting just as much water. Grass is the #1 most watered crop in America, and we don't even eat it. American lawns consume 20 trillion gallons of water a year, 200 million gallons of gas just for mowing it, and 70 million pounds of pesticides. Wait, is that pounds or gallons? I don't know. I'll edit it in later. But growing local native plants that are already used to the heat saves you time, money, water, and it's also pretty, and doesn't remind me of watching paint dry. Instead of waiting around for a water crisis, we can avoid one by following Nevada's lead early. And that's why it's a good news story, I promise.